In this video, I'll show you how to sell SMS marketing services with Vendasta, and trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end, because I'll also give you a special way to try Vendasta for free with exclusive bonuses. Vendasta is a powerful platform designed to help you sell digital marketing services, and today, we're focusing on how it helps you sell SMS marketing services. First, let me quickly explain how Vendasta works. Vendasta is a one-stop shop for agencies, businesses, or individuals looking to offer marketing services. It allows you to manage everything from email marketing to reputation management, and yes, SMS marketing. It's perfect for selling to small businesses, which is why it's a game changer for anyone looking to offer SMS marketing services. So, let's dive into the first thing you need to know. Vendasta has an intuitive dashboard that allows you to access everything in one place. That means you can easily create, send, and manage SMS marketing campaigns directly from their platform. This is key for your clients as it simplifies their entire process. And with SMS marketing being such an effective way to reach customers, you'll be able to tap into a growing market by offering these services. Next, Vendasta's SMS marketing feature also comes with automated tools. These tools help you create follow-up sequences and schedule messages. That means your clients don't need to worry about manually sending text every day. You can set it up once and let the platform do the heavy lifting, which gives you the opportunity to offer this as a service on autopilot. The third thing to note is Vendasta's integration with other tools. Vendasta seamlessly integrates with CRM systems, email marketing tools, and more, allowing you to offer a comprehensive marketing service. This makes it easier to present SMS marketing as part of a larger strategy that includes email, social media, and more. Plus, integrating everything together means you can track performance and offer your clients better insights into their campaigns, which boosts your credibility as a service provider. Next, you get white label branding. This means you can resell Vendasta services under your own name, which is crucial for building your brand and establishing trust with clients. Imagine offering SMS marketing as your own product without having to create everything from scratch. This is where Vendasta really shines for anyone serious about selling SMS marketing services. The fifth thing that makes Vendasta stand out is the reporting and analytics features. You'll be able to track open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates in real time. This helps you show your clients the tangible results they're getting from SMS marketing, making it easier to sell your services and prove their value. The more data you provide, the better you can optimize your campaigns for even higher ROI, which clients love. Now, here's the secret I promised at the beginning. You can get access to Vendasta for free right now, and even better, you'll get some exclusive bonuses through the first link below. This allows you to dive in and start offering SMS marketing services without any upfront cost, and you can test out all the features yourself. Finally, when you're ready to scale up, Vendasta offers tools to automate your outreach and help you find new clients. They've thought of everything to make selling SMS marketing services as easy as possible. By the way, don't forget that the link below grants you an extended free trial, so go ahead and grab it now. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out the link in the description for your free trial and bonuses. Good luck selling SMS marketing with Vendasta, and thanks for watching.